Hi ladies, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is on Amy Braids, which is amybraidsandwigs.com, and she sent me over Amy Camilla Knotless Box Braid Wig in the length 24 inches. Look how this is a full lace wig, honey. I've never had one and I'm so happy to get one. Full lace braided wig. Okay, we have the wig size, which is medium, and it is hand braided, honey, especially 24 inches. We have a comb in the nape area, comb on the sides, two sides where the elastic band is, and they have a band where so you can be able to make it a glueless lace wig. So look how beautiful and natural that looks. What I'm doing right now is showing you the areas where the baby hairs goes. They have it braided and you can just take that loose, honey, and just get your baby hairs on. So I'm just shifting right now and showing you also that you don't have to do anything to the tips because it is fine, well, honey, ready to go. So that's the side I would like to have my wig on. So yes, honey, I'm going to rock that side part right there. It's 5 stars. So what I'm doing is cutting the area where the ear tabs go, because I need to be able to make sure it's a nice, comfortable fit for me. I believe the color is a 1B and a 30. I'm not sure, but I'll have everything down in the description bar. That way you will know. Okay, I think she's almost ready to be able to start taking these baby hairs down, honey. So what I'm doing right here is just taking the braids out that they had to be able to get my baby hairs and everything together. But I need to first push this hair backwards. That way I can be able to use my lace glue. So the lace glue and the primer that I'm going to be using, the primer is Escher. And I'm going to, first of all, wipe this forehead with the alcohol prep, and I'm using the Escher primer. You have to prime, guys, that way you don't mess your skin up and your hairline. So I'm priming, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with 3 layers of Ghost Bond Supreme lace glue, and I'm going to put like really nice thin lines. That way I can be able to not have it looking all white, because if you use a lot and you don't make it thin enough, it will leave a white cast and it won't glue down right. So what I'm doing is that I'm going to use 3 layers of that. I didn't show the third layer. I showed just the first and the second, but I did use 3 layers of Ghost Bond Supreme lace glue. So after that, guys, I'm actually going to place the lace down. I'm going to let that dry for a little bit. I'm going to use the blow dryer on hot. Then I'm going to use it on cool, and I'm just going to place this lace down where it needs to be so it can start the melt process, honey. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to go ahead on and actually put an elastic band on it when I'm done, and I'm not going to be using any other tools besides the blow dryer and a lace band. So that's about it. And y'all seen me plenty of times put my baby hairs down, so I'm not going to show that process. hold on, y'all back. Okay, y'all, so I went on and just put my baby hairs down and refreshed this wig, honey, and listen. Okay. This wig is so beautiful. Y'all have seen me put baby hairs down, cut lace, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and do my thing. Girl, just do your thing, okay? Because right now, at this point, honey, the hair is laid. So this is what she looked like. Y'all, I have clothes on, but you know, this is dragging it down. But let's close this robe. Okay, so this is the finished look here, y'all. I'm going to actually put one more style, which is a high bun. I'm not into high buns, y'all, okay? I'm not into high buns. I like hair that is down and maybe a little ponytail or whatever. But this hair is so beautiful. So beautiful. So I showed you the hair in the beginning. I told you where the hair is from. This is a medium cap that I have on. I don't know if I mentioned that. Also, this is 24 inches. I don't know if I mentioned that. I did not water any boiling water on the ends at all. Y'all, this hair is beautiful. This braid wig, honey, full lace all the way through, okay? All the way through. All the way through, baby. All the way through. So I like the hairstyle that I have in right now. I did wanted to like maybe put it down. So let me put it down so you guys can see what she looks like down. And I like that part right there. All I did was just added a little bit of concealer. You know, because the lace was like really natural to me. But I just added a little bit of concealer to it, honey. And this is how I will wear her. This one braid right here is like kind of up. But I'm going to try to twist it or something to keep it down. Maybe once I boil it, it will be okay. And this hair is a human blend. So, girl, I like this style right here. I think this style is like really beautiful. I will have down some Instagram pictures with clothes on, y'all, so you can be able to see a full body shot what she looks like. This is like beautiful, y'all. She is, yes. She is just so beautiful. The back I do not have down. And the reason why is because I don't wear high ponytails, but you can. I just have the combs in and I have the strap because you can actually wear this wig as a glueless wig. Y'all, look at this. Girl. Look at this wig. She is just gorgeous. Look at her. I put my baby hairs down. I hope I did a good job, y'all. I mean, but she's flat, okay? She is flat. So everything you would need will be down in the description bar. Like I said, I will place Instagram pictures. That way you guys will know and see. Also on Instagram that they have an Instagram handle. You know, that way you can go there as well. Everything in the description bar. I need y'all to do me a favor. I need y'all to like, comment, share. Let them know that, honey, J Baby is sporting a braid wig. Okay, the color I'm believing is 30. 1B at the top and then 30, I'm believing. If I'm wrong, I will put it down in the description bar. Also, subscribe to this channel. I have been giving you good content. I have been giving you the handle, honey, on everything. The bags, the perfume, now the hair, the wigs, the braid wigs. Who's sitting for 2 hours? Who's sitting for 8 hours? Who's sitting for 9 hours? Who's sitting for 12 hours? Who's sitting for 17 hours? Not I, not she, not me. Okay? All right, guys. So you know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.